How come they don't know they didn't know why King Von was crazy like that? Nigga, I just told you, nigga. Shit. I told you that shit a long time ago. Since you know exactly where all the Bloods and Crips are saying. We didn't know that was going on with Cousin on it. That wasn't us, though. That was that fat dude that was in that chair, and it better have been him. I know I'm not going to have a nice time when I visit Chicago. I know that uncle told me not to come. I'm going to slide through anyway. I want to see Cousin Grave. I got the message from Dirk, but still. Shit. Yeah, King Von got molested when he was little. Shit. Shit. And then I came into this world as a bitch and got molested by some bitches, and then they turned around and talking about they don't want nobody to be gay and shit like that. Bitch, I'm a lesbian, bitch. He don't need to be no girl anyway, shit like that. Bitch, if I stay like this, I'ma die. I don't give a fuck about dying and shit like that, but these kids kind of need my help. Shit. Good looking face, deep voice. That's fucked up. Yeah. Yeah, me and King Von kind of like flipped the fuck out when the same sex fucked us and turned around and start talking that bullshit. We got the same situation Blueface mama going, baby mama got going on. The older sister molesting you and turn around and act like she could check you? Bitch, you out of pocket. Leave Blueface baby mama alone. And when it comes to them, I got her back though. Shit. And not just cause she a female. That's some faulty ass shit. Blueface, you never. Okay, fuck the funk. You know what I'm saying? Just for 1 second, you never noticed that shit. I know that she's the older sister. She probably wasn't that older than her, but she was way over 18, and she told her to lick her pussy and shit. Come on, man. And she over here dogging her out type shit. Ain't that shit weird?